educating myself. So I realized that I didn't really go into what I'm working on and what I'm doing on this channel, right? I have not shared that with you guys. So before I get into that, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is my name is Omara with Side Hustle Exploration. I just wanted to be able to show my heart through my art. And I found that there were certain things that I wanted to draw that I am not presently ready to draw because my skill sets does not allow that. What do I mean by that? Let me show you. This is my style of drawing right here. I want to be able to create realistic drawings so that I can share my vision with you, my heart with you, by creating a realism and meshing it with my style of pattern like drawing and creating kind of like a fusion of things to kind of evoke emotion, evoke that inside coming out, that rebuild, restore kind of vision that I have for my art. And so I hope to be able to kind of share that with you, but as of right now, I am in the learning process of educating myself to build my skill, build my understanding, and build my creativity and expand my mind in ways that I have not challenged it, honestly speaking, to be able to do. So I hope that you join me on this journey of learning, exploring, and growing as an artist. And I hope that in this process, you are also joining and growing and learning and building yourself up as an artist. It is never too late to start. I am realizing that now. It's been a hassle fighting myself mentally to take the steps necessary to see the change that I want to see for my future and for my vision for my art. So I hope that you are accepting your challenge, and I hope that you're hearing this and like, oh, maybe I should start, maybe I should take a step towards my dream, towards that future that I'm looking to achieve, and join me on this journey. Let's grow together. Let's grow and build together.